Kings Ridge, the premier 55-plus gated golf community in Clermont, Florida. Nestled in the rolling hills of Clermont, Florida, Kings Ridge stands as one of the most sought-after 55-plus gated communities in the state. With its picturesque setting, championship golf courses, and an abundance of amenities, Kings Ridge offers an unparalleled lifestyle for active adults seeking both relaxation and engagement. Top reasons. Kings Ridge is one of Florida's best 55-plus communities. Kings Ridge boasts two stunning golf courses, the Par 71 South Course and the executive Par 57 North Course, designed to challenge and delight players of all skill levels. Residents enjoy well-maintained fairways, scenic views, and a vibrant golf community. Living at Kings Ridge means access to a wealth of top-tier amenities, including resort-style amenities, a multi-million-dollar clubhouse with fitness centers, hobby rooms, and social spaces, heated swimming pools and spa areas, tennis, bocce ball, and pickleball courts, a full calendar of events, classes, and clubs catering to various interests. As a fully gated community with 24/7 security, Kings Ridge provides residents with peace of mind and a strong sense of community. Its prime location along Highway 27 offers easy access to Orlando's attractions, top medical facilities, shopping centers, and restaurants. With a diverse range of social clubs, fitness programs, and community events, Kings Ridge fosters a lively and engaging atmosphere. Whether it's dance nights, art classes, or volunteer opportunities, there's something for everyone. Offering a variety of single-family homes with modern designs, Kings Ridge provides low-maintenance living with lawn care and exterior maintenance included, allowing residents to focus on enjoying life. Why choose Kings Ridge? If you're seeking an active, luxurious, and welcoming community with top-tier amenities and a thriving social scene, Kings Ridge stands out as one of Florida's finest 55-plus communities. Whether you're a golf enthusiast or simply looking to enjoy your retirement in a beautiful, secure environment, Kings Ridge offers the perfect blend of leisure and activity. Come experience the best of 55-plus living at Kings Ridge, where every day feels like a vacation. For complete details, call or text 321-765-3033. If you're looking for a great retirement community that has easy access to all of the theme parks within 20 to 30 minutes, then this is a great option.